Okay, let's tackle chapter 10, problem 2. So the first question is they ask about the maximum. What is the maximum transfer price? The maximum transfer price is 28. Remember, the maximum is the floor, the ceiling, right? That's from the buying unit division perspective, right? So this is the ceiling above which they would not accept to transact with their sister division. And then since they are paying now $28, okay, to get it from the external market, then they're not willing to pay more than $28, right? What is the minimum transfer price? Now, they're telling us that this is the minimum transfer price from the buying division, the selling division perspective. This is from the buying division perspective, buying division, and this is from the selling division perspective. So buying division, this is the maximum they will pay. The minimum transfer price, which is again here, the buying division, that's the ceiling. For the minimum transfer price, that's the floor, okay? That's again the price below which the selling division would not accept to transact with its sister division. Since they are selling it now at $29, the minimum transfer price will be $29, but when they deal with their sister division, they will not incur the variable cost of $1. So that's why the maximum is $28. The minimum is $28 for the selling division as well, okay? Another way to do it is using the formula, which is the minimum transfer price is variable cost, minimum transfer price is variable cost plus opportunity cost. Then what is the variable cost here? The variable cost is 15. What is the opportunity cost? This is the opportunity cost, which is the contribution margin foregone from not selling to external customers, right? So if you sell to since you are selling all of your output to the external customers, if you decide to deal with your sister division, then by doing so you forgo the contribution margin generated with the external customers. That's the contribution margin foregone, which is what? The contribution is 29, that's the selling price, minus the variable cost, which is 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Then that will give you 15 plus 13, which is $28. That's what we say here, right? Okay. Now that will take care of question 1. Let's move to question 2. Let's say that suppose that the component division is expected to sell only $150,000. Okay, 150,000 parts to external customers. What is the maximum transfer price? Still, the maximum transfer price that's from the buying division. Again, it's from the buying division. Okay, buying division perspective is still $28. They would not pay more $28 since they are acquiring the component at $28 from external supplier. Why would they pay more to their internal supplier? Okay. Remember, these are two independent divisions, right? So what is the minimum transfer price? Then applying the formula is variable cost plus opportunity cost. In this case here, in this scenario, do we have an opportunity cost? No, because if we don't accept to deal with our internal customer, which is our sister division, then our capacity remain idle. Okay, then we don't have alternative usage of our capacity. Then the opportunity cost is 0. Okay, because if we don't deal with we're stuck with 50,000 units, idle capacity, right? So the minimum transfer price would be the variable cost, which is, in this case, is 15. Again, how to get 15 is 10 plus 2 plus 3. That's in your problem, okay? Then the range will be from 15 to 28. Okay, any transfer price within this range will work for both. Okay, work for the selling division and the buying division. Okay, Okay, let's continue with question 3. They're asking us about the impact of a transfer price that is set at $20 on both division on the company as a whole, right? Let's look at first the impact of this transfer price of $20, on the selling division. The selling division, they have excess capacity, okay? So any deal, with the sister division will contribute to their profit. Let's see how much contribution the transfer price will make, okay? So we have $20, okay? So $20, it's $50,000, 50,000 units being transferred, right? We are charging our sister division $20. And then what is the contribution margin done or generated by transferring a unit? Okay, it's going to be minus 10 plus 2 plus 3. Remember, they're not incurring the variable cost. So this is the contribution margin per unit. Contribution margin per unit. Okay. Ignore the fixed cost here because it's still the same. Without fixed cost, it's still the same. That's why we reason in terms of contribution margin, right? Now, what is the increase in profit? Then the selling division increase in profit will be as a result of these transfer price of $50,000 $20 a piece, and then related pertaining to 50,000 unit being transferred. Increase in profit will be, calculating this, we'll have $250,000. Now, that's the impact of a transfer price set at $20 on the selling division, as D is selling division. Let's look at the buying division, BD. What will be the impact on the BD? Now remember that the buying division, the BD, is acquiring it currently at $28 a piece. Now by getting it at 20 from their sister division, they'll be saving $8 for each unit they get from their sister division internally, right? So they are saving, again, 28 minus 20, okay? They're paying now 28, but they're getting it 20, and then the saving will be, or cost saving, you can say here, cost saving would be, when again, cost saving is the same thing as increasing their profit, okay? Is $28 minus 20 times the number of units being acquired from their sister division internally, okay? That will give us what? Okay? That will give us $400,000. So the overall impact on the company as a whole is going to be 250 plus 400. So the firm-wide profit will increase by, both division combined, $650,000.